Our Disney trip started with a flight delay, and I'm telling you right now, it was the best thing that could have happened. So we boarded our Spirit flight in Kansas City, all 6 of us, and right away the pilot announced there was a maintenance issue. But then he said something that set the tone for the whole trip. He basically said, "This is not up to my standards, and we're not flying until it's fixed." Then, instead of trapping all of us on the plane, he let us deplane and wait in the terminal. If you've ever flown to Orlando with little kids, that one decision is everything. The boys got off the plane to burn off some energy. Our teenagers helped entertain them. We grabbed some chicken strips. We stretched our legs, and everyone stayed calm. This delay also reminded me of something parents forget. Overpack your carry-ons, toys, chargers, snacks, all of it. There's no such thing as too many snacks when you're stuck in an airport with little kids. Now listen, when we finally boarded again, the flight was smooth, the kids were happy, and our youngest literally fell asleep across both of our legs. And that landing was so soft you could barely feel it. Once we landed in Orlando, grabbed the rental van, and drove to the Grove Resort, it really hit home for me how much that mattered. Now, I don't know what the issue with the plane actually was, but our pilot had 2 choices. He could say, "Good enough, let's do it," or he could say, "No, not high enough for my standards." And as a human, I really appreciated his stand for safety. Plus, allowing us to deplane was such a nice touch. So while you can't always avoid delays in travel, if I had to have a travel delay, this is the way to do it. And kudos to whoever was flying that plane on February 11th, 2025 from Kansas City to Orlando. Now that's a pilot.